Hello friends, welcome back in electrical automation world with the new content which consists programming part and some practical part in Delta PLC. So here you can see the task which have to perform, which is the same as before. You can see in part 1. So just only we modified here. We merged both the program in a single program by using functional block. So here we can put a name of this main program. Let's manual auto, and inside this function block we will create two functions differently for manual and auto. So let's start with the manual one. We will use here a push button. You can use here rising edge also. Let's the push button X1, and there will be a counter C0, and the counting value is 4. Now in the new network we will make a condition if counting value become 1. Okay, by mistakenly I wrote here K2. Don't use K2. Here we are going to write 1 only. I will correct it later. And set Y0, set Y1 and reset Y2. When there is counting value 1, Y0 and Y1 become high, and in that case Y2 remains low. And let's counting value equal to 2. Sorry, in that case y1 and y2 remains high and y0 should be low. So we reset y0, and in the next network, when counting value become 3, both y2 and y0 remains high and y1 remains low. Okay, in the last network we will reset all the outputs and counter. So we will reset RST Y0, RST Y1, RST Y2 and RST C0. So counter can be repeated after 4. Okay, here we completed manual mode. Now let's start auto mode. We have to use here a timer. Okay, so for that we will use a new function block again. Let's FE0 auto, and here we will use a timer. The total timing of this timer we took 15 seconds. That's in 150, and we will use each outputs set of the interval 5 seconds. In the first network, in this network I created output y0 and y1 high and y2 remains low. This is the condition less than 5 seconds, and now make a condition between 5 to 10 seconds. So when the time greater than 5 and less than 10. So here is the condition we applied for AND. This is called the AND condition. Okay, in this case y1 and y2 remains high and y0 should be low. Okay, now in the next network, after 10 second up to 15 second, we will make a condition which make high y2 and y0, and y1 remains low. This is the condition when time greater than 10 second. As we already took the maximum time is 15 seconds, so it will go from 10 to 15. That's when we provide 5 seconds to each steps, each set of outputs. So here we reset the timer by using NC of the timer. So after the completion of timing, it will automatically reset. Okay, now we will merge both of these function block in a single program. From here, let's go in the main program, and let's create two block. One for the condition when there is normally close, x0 is close, so it's open. It should work in manual mode. So here we are going to provide a manual mode. Just directly you can drag from this function block to this network. Okay, that's complete the program. Now you can execute it, and let's check the program in online mode. For that we have to download the program. If there will be any problem, you can set PLC type from PLC, and also you can set this communication setting. If everything is okay, you can directly transfer it. So here you go. So here I transferred the program. You can see the blinking LED on the USB port or serial communication port. The LED indicates that transferring is done. Okay, now we can check this program from the online mode. So you can see its auto mode is open first, because I am using here first this NC push button and X1. This screen is the X1 push button. This feed to the X1 point of the PLC. So if yeah, I forget to make it in run mode. Now you can see this working auto mode right now, because I am using this NC push button, first one at the top side you can see, and the second below of this red NC push button you can see X1 push button, which is the green one. Okay, after pressing both this NC and this X1 push button, you can see we can change its output in manual mode, but if you release both of these, it works in auto mode. So this way you can merge both of the program in manual and auto. For any this can be used for any packaging machines. So if you like the video, please share, comment and subscribe. Thank you.